Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the ERFC.PRECISE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the goal of this function is to return the complementary ERF function integrated between X and infinity. And for the purpose of this video, I have created this little table right here with two numbers. So the way we apply this function to numbers is not complicated because this function only has one argument, which is the X. So in this case, the X is simply the lower bound for integrating ERFC.PRECISE. So to write down our function, how exactly it's going to work, we will start with an equal sign. And then we can just write down ERFC.PRECISE. Here we go. And once it's done, what we can do is simply select the cell that contains our number, or we can enter our number right here. And once it's done, we can close our parentheses. And just like that, we are able to know what is the complementary ERF function for the following number. So if I want to apply it for the number that is right here, I can just take my function that is here, copy it and paste it right there. And same thing right here, I'm going to have the complementary ERF for this number. So this is how we use the ERCF.PRECISE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you liked this video, you can and want to learn a little bit more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out the link down below and find all my courses there. And you can leave a like, subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.